Let us find the value of I to the power I, where I equal to square root of minus 1. It may look difficult, but it's pretty simple. First of all, we observe that e to the power I theta equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. Once again, e to the power I theta equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. Let's take theta equal to pi by 2. So we have e to the power I pi by 2 equal to cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is cos 90 degree and cos 90 degree equal to 0. And sin pi by 2 is sin 90 degree and that is equal to 1. So just I. So we can replace the value of I is e to the power I pi by 2. Let's do it here. What do we want to do? We can replace the value of I equal to e to the power pi by 2. And so I to the power I equal to e to the power I pi by 2. How did I get e to the power I pi by 2? Just from here, I equal to e to the power I pi by 2. And let's raise it whole thing to the power I. And we can simplify it. We can multiply this I with this. And we have got exponent over exponent, and so that can be multiplied. And we have e to the power minus pi by 2. Wow, that's just a real number. So I to the power I is actually a real number. So what do we observe? I to the power I is a real number. It is a real number. Now the question is this the only value of I to the power I? The answer is no. There are other value of I to the power I as well. How do we get it? Well, first of all, once again, let's take, we have taken theta equal to pi by 2 here. Let's take pi by 2 plus 2n pi. We take theta equal to pi by 2 plus 2n pi in this identity e to the power I theta equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. Let's do that. E to the power I pi by 2 plus 2n pi. That is equal to cos pi by 2 plus 2n pi plus I sin pi by 2 plus 2n pi. And that is again equal to I. So again, if we plug that value, instead of I, if I write e to the power I pi by 2 plus 2n pi, then we have I to the power I equal to instead of I can write e to the power I pi by 2 plus 2n pi. Of course, n has to be integer here. The whole thing to the power I. And that is equal to e to the power minus pi by 2 minus 2n pi. And your n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. N equal to plus minus 1 plus minus 2 dot dot dot. So in fact, we have got infinitely many values of I to the power I, and they are all real number. Thank you.